That one's probably been replaced then. Got a problem with my door handle.
Well, door panels are off. And now for the fun part.
There's a fun part?
Yeah.
Why is this taking so long? Why didn't it pop? Oh, we're fucked. There we go. Usually they just pop. That one felt really weird.
You gotta watch from the side, because when you push that up, it lifts it up.
Here's some funky rivets. Or maybe it's this rivet gun. It's not grabbing it. Oh boy.
There she goes. That's a long fucking ways to go still. Now it needs some starting fluid. Fuck, you almost need like another ratchet strap where it's bearing in, it pushes out good.
Well, it might.
See what I'm saying?
Yeah, it might. See.
That's what I was worried about.
Cat boys wouldn't do
Wouldn't
it.
even try.
I took a whole 12 seconds.
When you moved the sidewall, I was like, those pretty soft. They should go.
Huh. That's
Yeah, it's
funny.
that kind of a... Oh, don't forget your thing fell off.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, that was pretty uneventful.
Problem is, they just, when they store them, they stack them, and they just get so flat they don't have any. Because, I mean, it doesn't look like it's that bad now. When it's on.
Yeah, I know. Well,
Like
the things,
that.
yeah. Yeah, not like this.
Looks like this, but there's no way to go. It ain't got no air in it though. Best quality.
So the air hose leaking or the tire?
This air hose. Shit.
Oh, sweet. That's going to be $39.95 a piece for the use of our tire facilities.
But we won't charge you for the balance.
Right.
Garage is full of Fords.
Get ready to bolt her in.
There's no room for me in there.
Oh man, the vent's right there too. Oh, you might look out.
No, it's even got the bolt holes for these. It's got some quad shock brackets too. That we're not going to use. Call this the wheel hop special.
Why aren't we using the quad shocks or whatever?
Well, it won't fit with the tires that. Jim loves drum brakes.
Doesn't everybody?
He loves working on them. This is one of his most favorite activities. Luckily, I have plenty of drum brakes around here to go around. Wheels off like quarter of a turn, so they need to go that way.
Huh?
They need to go that way. The wheel's off this way, like I'm turning to the right.
Well, then we need to go the other way. We just turned them this way.
Oh, we did?
Yeah, you said it.
I said it used to be that way. Now it's over corrected that way. Originally, before we started, it was this way.
Oh.
We turned them that way, and now with the wheels this way.
That enough? I said, is it enough?
Yeah.
Okay, you got a little more. There you go.
Man, it's gonna suck to drive out of here with no e-brake and no brakes. Think the front brakes will still work, even with the back line off?
No.
They won't?
No.
Well, that was the point of a dual reservoir system.
No.
It's not?
No.
I think it is.
No. No. That's how it's gonna be. I almost got the fan. It was like, oh, I got like the